And guys, for those who don't know, in the last video I got died in the major car accident, and now I'm now alive, and looks like I'm now a ghost, which is very weird. And I didn't see the doctor coming. And look who's here. I'm just gonna say, and I asked if can you see me. And he just said, "Oh my God, are you a ghost?" And he just ran further away, so he will not scared. And I said yes. He said, "Where did you die from?" And I said, "From a car crash." He said, "Okay, but why did you die?" I said, "Because it's major." He just said, "That is not supposed to happen." I said, "But why?" Because it doesn't make sense to that he said that this is supposed to happen. He just said, "Cause you crash into a car." That's rare, dude. Even I got confused what he said. And I just teleport. I don't know why, but I teleport. And he said, "Come and visit my house." And he's just coming there. So I'm gonna come too. And it seems like they're just watching TV. And I'm gonna sit right here. And he's really gonna open it. And he closed it suddenly. I think it's just he closed it by an accident. And look at that. There's some two rage and two riches. I said, "Just wait here, okay?" He said, "What are you gonna do?" I said, "To buy shopping." And he said, "Okay." So I'm gonna go there. I'm not far away from that. It's actually pretty near. And if there's no fall damage if I just jump through a high place, but I'm gonna go to the grocery store. Like what I said, I'm gonna buy, and accidentally I go there instead of here. Well, I didn't know that. And this is the spawning Brookhaven, right? And I just accidentally climbed the fountain. Let's now go buy shopping. And I'm grabbing some shopping right now. And I'm gonna grab some Coke. And looks like we're stuck. And I'm just gonna go with it. And I get some Coke and water. I also like to get a sandwich and pizza. I'm also gonna get some ice cream and done. I'm gonna go back home. But first, I'm gonna pay this. And guys, for those who don't know, I can do what I want if I'm ghost. I'm just gonna go by. Okay, now I'm gonna go back home. And accidentally, we trap again. And now, look at this. This is really weird. So, I'm gonna left there. Now, I'm gonna go back in my house. Also, I can just grab a skateboard and go there. And I will see how is he when I go back home. And he said, "OMG, that's too many." And accidentally, I trapped him up the shopping cart. And now, I'm just gonna place the foods here. And I already put everything here, as you can see. And now, I can grab them to eat. And I'm gonna invite him. I said, come and eat. And he said that he's full. And I said, okay, I'm just gonna eat this by myself. And he just said, come to my room. I said, okay. So he's just gonna come to his room and I'm gonna follow him. Cause this house is not mine. And he accidentally go to the bathroom. And I'm gonna go in this room. And he said, wait, that's my room. And I said to him, okay. And he just sleep. I'm gonna go to my room and take the chance to sleep. But I'm feel energetic because, guys, I'm a ghost, right? But wait, I don't have a roommate permission. I said, I don't have roommate permission. And he said, sorry, I forgot. And suddenly, he now roommate me. And he went back to sleeping. Now I'm gonna also sleep there. And guys, I just turn off the light because it's really bright right here. And I cannot even sleep when it's bright, right? And guys, it seems like I just woke up, but it's very dark in here. So I turned on the lights first, and he's actually sleeping. I'm just gonna turn on the light, and seems like he just woke up. And he said, why are you awake? I said, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. And he said, okay, so I'm gonna go downstairs to take this chance to go to the bathroom. And I kind of don't know where's the bathroom. Oh, it's literally just there. So I'm just gonna go here. And now I'm done. So I'm gonna go sleep again. It seems like it's already at the morning. And he's there. And I'm just gonna turn off the lights. So he can now sleep. And I'm also gonna sleep right now. And turn off the lights first. There, I'm already sleeping. And seems like it's already 6 in the morning. I'm kind of awake, but I'm still gonna sleep for a bit. And I just awake, and he's already here. And he said to me, good morning. And I said, good morning, it's a great day. And he said, let's visit the city. Look, I already done that before. But I said, okay, but be careful, that's what I died. And he said, let's go. I'm gonna follow him out the house. I'm just gonna wait for him. And now I'm gonna also go here. Wait. Okay. Now, he's doing something, but I don't know. And he just grabbed a bike for two of us. So I can just chill here. But I can also drive here. Wait, what's that over here? Let's go, guys. And it seems like he's bugging a bit. I think he did really bug, but I think he's gonna go to the spawn. It's near where I died, right? Ain't that? And he's just jumping with the bike, which is quite weird. I'm also gonna try that later. But he just grabbed the bike. So I think we're gonna go to right. And I'm just gonna grab this bike for myself. And I'm also gonna ride him. So it's actually possible to jump with a bike. And we're just gonna go explore the whole city, right? And let's go to the motel. I'm gonna go build a house there. Okay, now I'm gonna go up here. And seems like he just teleport. And he also said, "What are you doing?" I said, "Grabbing a house." So now I'm gonna grab a house, and I'm just gonna pick one of them. I'm gonna pick this one. And I'm also gonna give him a roommate permission because he's my friend. There, now we are both roommates. He can even lock the door, bro. But why is he just AFK here? I think he's going to sleep. And that's right, he's really going to sleep. Which is quite weird for me. I'm also gonna change my house color to green. Because it's my favorite color. And now, I'm just gonna watch TV for a bit. And guys, if you want to add me on Roblox, just search for Josh Church, and then I will add you on Roblox.